somebody's been harassing him. They're going to charge him an exorbitant amount of money. And I'm like, excuse me? Another huge thing is happening in our real estate industry that I need to talk about. When I'm representing a buyer in a transaction, we do inspections. When the inspector sends the inspection report, his only obligation is to send it to his clients who are the buyers. If they give permission to it, the inspector can also send the report to me and the attorney. Last week, my buyer called me and he says that somebody's been harassing him, calling him from somewhere. He was kind of confused because the person didn't explain why they need the inspection report. I said to him, give me the number, I'm gonna call. I call this guy and I'm like, who are you? Why are you inquiring about my client's personal property, which is the inspection report? He says, they, meaning the buyers, requested a quote for the new home, because before you close on a property in New Jersey, if you have a mortgage on it, you have to get a home insurance. My clients' buyers, they reach out to a few insurance agencies to give them quotes for said home insurance. He says, we need a copy of the inspection report because we need to see what kind of condition the house is in. I'm like, excuse me? That's the first I'm hearing about it. Who knows what's going to happen, right? They're going to find some stuff on the inspection report and then they're going to charge him an exorbitant amount of money. I told this guy, my clients are not willing to share the inspection report with you because that's their private property and you have no right to request it. He says, okay, if they don't share it with me, they're gonna have to pay $2,000 more. If my buyer doesn't oblige and doesn't provide the inspection report, he will have to pay $2,000 more. So I just told him, listen, look for another insurance. And of course, he called me later and he said that he found some company who's gonna insure the property and they are not requesting an inspection report. So please be mindful when you are buying a property, never share a copy of inspection report because who knows where it's gonna go, what they're gonna come up with. But I know there are some things that going in the background with all those inspection reports, and there's one big company who bought the biggest company whose software the inspectors in America are using to create reports. So supposedly the data has been breached already and the information has been leaked. But you know, it's like one of those things. Crazy stuff is happening right now.